Hey everyone, my name is Dmitry Alperovich, lead guitarist of 7th Station, and in today's lesson you will learn some basic chords and how to read the chord diagram. The chords you will learn today are A minor, E major, C major, D minor, and G major. Okay, so let's go chord by chord and see where we put the fingers. Okay, let's start with A minor. 8 minor structure is you have 5th open string, 4th string 2nd fret with the 2nd finger. When I'm referring to the second, I'm not counting the big thumb. This is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 2nd finger, 3rd string 2nd fret with 3rd finger, 2nd string 1st fret with the 1st finger, and 1st string open string. And you have it. A minor. E major, it's pretty much the same like A minor. You can take all the fingers you have in A minor and just shift it one string below. So if the second finger been on the 4th string, now it will be on the 5th string. If the 3rd finger was on the 3rd string, now it will be on the 4th string. The 1st finger will be now on the 3rd string. And you see it's the same shape, just one string lower. And you have E major. Okay, C major, we start with 3rd finger on the 5th string 3rd fret. Next is 4th string 2nd fret with the 2nd finger. Next is 3rd open string. Next is 2nd string 1st fret, and open string, the 1st string is open string. Okay, next is D minor. D minor starts with 4th open string. Next note is 3rd string 2nd fret 2nd finger. Next note is 2nd string 3rd fret 3rd finger, or you can use the 4th, you can try them both. And 1st string 1st fret 1st finger. And the last chord for today is G. G starts with 6th string with 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string 2nd fret with the 1st finger. Then you have series of open strings, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and the last note is 1st string 3rd fret 4th finger or 3rd finger. You can try once again both. And you have G. One of the most common ways how to read chords is through chord diagram. A chord diagram shows us where exactly we need to put our fingers. So how to read the chord diagram, I'll explain it through this image. So you see in this picture you have 6 vertical lines. The 6 vertical lines represent the 6 strings you have on your guitar. It's almost the same like if you're holding your guitar in that way and you see these 6 vertical lines. And the horizontal lines are frets. So you have 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and on, depends where the chord is. So if we take the example of A minor, which we learned, you see in the diagram that you have, first of all, on the 6th string, you have X. The X represent do not play the string. So we are not playing the string. The next string, you see there is nothing but a circle. Circle means open string. Then we have on the 4th string, we have dot on the second fret, on the fourth string, second fret. So we know we need to put our finger fourth string, second fret. On the third vertical line, which is the third string, you see the dot on the second fret again, once again. On the second string you see it on the first fret, and the first string you see just a circle, open string. And that's how you read chord diagram. You can try to find in the internet some different chords which you don't know and try to read it through the diagram and see how it works for you. Once you feel comfortable with the chords we learned, I prepared you some exercises so you can practice the chords. So the first exercise is involving only two chords, A minor and E major. And if you see on the notation, you have some arrows. The arrows shows you what direction to play with the pick. If you see the arrow down, it means that you need to pick the chord all the way down. If you see up, you're doing the opposite. Okay, so the first exercise is the second exercise involves three chords, A minor, D minor, and E major, and that's how it sounds. The last exercise involves four chords, A minor, D minor, C major, and G major. And notice that you need to play all the time down up with your pick. So that's how the exercise goes. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please share it, post me some questions or comments, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.